Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today in this video we are going to flip image using below Python. So let's get started. First of all, let's import below. Then open the image. Then we have to type the image path or image name here, and we have image in our just local folder, so we don't want us to type the path, and then we have to show the image. So equals to image.show. So if you run it, as you can see, the image is opening up. I don't know why it is showing an error. The problem with the image. So let's open our original image. As you can see, we have an elephant image out here. So what we are going to do, we are going to flip it left to right and top to bottom. So let's do it. So let's name the image flip, and then we have to type image.transpose. Let me see. Yeah, image.transpose. Then we have to type image dot, and then we have to type left to right, and then we have to just do it image.FLIP.show. Then we can see our flipped image left to right. As you can see, there's a change from the earlier image. It faces left side, and then if you have to say that, then you type image save or whatever equals to image.show dot save. Then we have to type the name. Let's just say elephantflipedltr.jpg, and just let's don't show the image. Okay, so we have to say image flip, not image show. Okay, image flip dot save, and then just comment it out. As you can see, we get a elephantflip LTR, that's right. Similarly, we can flip it out as top to bottom. This we have to type top, bottom, and if we run it, let's just comment this out and use this. Okay, we typed the wrong command. As you can see, our elephant image flipped. So that's very simple, just 7 lines of code to flip an image using Python. So that's it guys. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel.